Hello and welcome to another video tutorial from GW's Imagine Dragon. As always, I'm Nelson Jerez, and today we're going to be going over Google Hangouts. First thing we're going to do is open our Google Chrome browser, and we're going to come over to our Google App Tiles, click on that, and come down and look for Google Hangouts. Once Google Hangouts pops up, and wait for our browser to load up. Come over and sign in. Make sure we input that email address, the Google Suite account we created on our first video. Input our password. And if it's your first time actually going into the Google Hangout app, this pop-up will come up. Just give you a couple inside notes about Google Hangouts, which is a messaging, voice, and video calls application. As it says, you can message a friend, start a group conversation, they have a one-on-one conversation, or include all of your friends with group chat for up to 100 people. You can connect anywhere. You can use a Google iPhone app, Android app. As long as it's a Google Hangout app, it will work perfectly. And it will sync across all your devices, either on Android, iOS, which is Apple, and on the web. That way you can keep in touch with people. This is our general dashboard for Google Hangouts. I'll give you a couple options, such as starting a video call, phone call, or messaging. You can access your contacts, old conversations, phone calls, and people you've invited, etc., etc., etc. And the reason why I'm going over this tutorial, this application, and creating this tutorial for it is to give you a option to communicate with loved ones who may be far away, or coworkers, project partners, and it's a way for you to be able to communicate with those people for whatever reason you may have to, and with a very dependable resource. So the most favorite and used video call. You can come in here, create a video call. As you can see, I am the only one, but if you would want to invite someone else, you could do so as well. So we're just going to exit this one out. But usually, hi everyone, you're able to access the Hangout through here. And just a couple features so you can see what it is. We have a messaging section right over here. You type a message. Hi guys. Like this. Boom. Pops up here. Hide it. Let's stay up. And go back. Show the messages that have been sent. You can hide your messages again. This is only in here because I'm in the chat room by myself, but generally you only have this option here, and you send an invite to anybody that you'd want to share or copy the link with. I mean, if you can't send it, you just copy your clipboard, you go over here, gives you a lot of options for that. We'll go over here. You can choose video service you're going to use. In this case, it would be the integrated camera that I already have here, and I'm using headphones, so you can use default microphone array, which automatically picks up the headset that I currently have on. The speakers integrated into this computer. You could have speakers also integrated outside of the computer, integrated but external, external speakers. And you hit a test. It should start playing a sound. Not too sure you can hear that. Yep. And hit done. It would allow you to share your screen. This is going to go crazy. But the point is that everyone else can see your screen. And you can create it to go full screen. Voila, full screen. So this is an amazing tool that can definitely help you communicate with friends and family across the world. In some cases, you could have family and friends that may be outside of their comfort zone and may not want to actually participate in a video call. There is an option in here which you can just make phone calls directly out of here. And that should complete our Google Hangout tutorial. It's fairly simple and very straightforward. It's not very complicated.